This video will guide you through how balancing performance and metabolism boosts your results. We will talk about burning fats and carbohydrates and metabolic flexibility. Let's start with the fact that the human body is an extremely adaptive system that can use different sources of energy depending on the needs and conditions it is in. What if I told you that burning fat faster, building lean muscle, and having limitless energy isn't about training harder, it's about training smarter? Most people are stuck in a one-speed metabolism, burning out their energy systems instead of mastering them. But when you understand how to balance performance and metabolism, your body becomes a fuel-burning machine, switching between carbs and fat effortlessly, crushing workouts and recovering like an athlete. In the next 10 minutes, I'll show you how to unlock your body's hidden potential by mastering metabolic flexibility, the secret weapon behind elite performance and lasting results. Welcome to Busy Fit Life, your go-to zone for quick and effective workouts designed for busy people and beginners. Don't forget to hit the bell and subscribe now. In today's session, we're diving deep into a topic that separates smart training from just training hard: the art of balancing performance and metabolism. Whether you're an athlete, a fitness enthusiast, or someone simply trying to get leaner and feel more energized, understanding how your body uses fuel will change everything about the way you approach your workouts and nutrition. Let's start with the basics. Your body is an incredibly adaptive machine. It can draw energy from multiple sources depending on the situation. The two main fuels are carbohydrates and fats. You're always burning both at the same time, yes, even while you sit or sleep. But the ratio shifts depending on what you're doing. Think of it like a dimmer switch that slides between carbs and fat as needed. Here's where it gets interesting. Your ability to smoothly transition between using carbohydrates and fats is called metabolic flexibility. It's what allows trained individuals to burn fat even at higher intensities and maintain energy longer. Those who lack this flexibility often hit an energy wall quickly, crave sugar, and feel exhausted without constant snacking. Many people believe that the harder they train, the faster they'll get results. But without metabolic balance, that approach can quickly backfire. Smart training is about managing intensity, recovery, and nutrition to enhance your metabolism, not destroy it. When you're pushing your limits, sprinting, lifting heavy, or performing any high-intensity movement, your body leans heavily on carbohydrates, specifically glycogen, which is how glucose is stored in your muscles and liver. Why? Because burning glucose requires less oxygen and delivers energy faster, which is perfect when your body is under intense stress and oxygen is limited. The trade-off is that glycogen stores are small. You can only go at full throttle for a short while before fatigue sets in. By the end of this video, you'll understand how to train and eat in a way that optimizes this flexibility, so your workouts last longer, your recovery improves, and your body becomes a true fat-burning, performance-driven machine. So let's jump into how the system really works and how you can train smarter to boost your metabolism and results. The human body has a built-in intelligence for survival. It constantly evaluates what kind of energy it needs based on how much oxygen is available, how intense your activity is, and what kind of nutrients are floating around in your bloodstream. This process is a continuous balancing act between efficiency and speed. Nutrition also plays a key role. When a person fasts or follows a low-carb diet, glycogen stores decrease, causing the body to switch to using more fat and ketone bodies as fuel. Conversely, when there is a high carbohydrate intake, the body prefers them for energy, and fat burning is suppressed. For example, people who often consume sweets and fast carbohydrates generally suppress the burning of their fat stores, and their body relies mainly on carbohydrates for energy. People who are used to eating this way cannot last long without food, especially without consuming fast carbohydrates and sweets. And it often happens that their blood sugar drops and they lose focus and mood. On the other hand, trained people burn fat more efficiently even at higher levels of exertion. This is the result of adaptations in the mitochondria, which are the energy powerhouses of cells, and therefore maintain a better supply of oxygen. This allows them to conserve glycogen and maintain energy for longer. People who exercise regularly and eat a balanced diet have much better metabolic flexibility. This is the body's ability to switch effectively between burning fat and carbohydrates depending on the situation it is in. We have reached the middle of the video. Hit the bell so you don't miss a single workout and subscribe to the channel. Doing this doesn't cost you anything, but you help us develop the channel and this information to reach more and more people to help, and for that, we sincerely thank you. Now, Flip the scenario. You're taking a long walk, doing yoga, or an easy bike ride. Oxygen supply is plentiful, and your body can afford to take the slower, more efficient route, burning fatty acids. This process, known as aerobic metabolism, can go on for hours. Here, mitochondria, the energy powerhouses of your cells, play the starring role. They use oxygen to break down fat molecules and produce steady, sustainable energy. On the other hand, individuals who train regularly and eat in a balanced way, mixing complex carbohydrates, healthy fats, and adequate protein, build resilient mitochondria. Their muscles learn to burn fat efficiently, even during more demanding workouts. This doesn't mean cutting out carbs entirely, it means teaching your body to switch between fuels as needed. Now, during lower intensity activities, walking, light jogging, cycling at a steady pace, your body switches gears and burns a greater percentage of fat for energy. Fat oxidation is slower but more efficient over time, making it ideal for endurance and recovery. In short, you're always blending both fuels, but intensity decides which one takes the lead. The smarter you train, the better your metabolic engine becomes. Every time you challenge your body with different types of workouts, strength training, HIIT, steady cardio, or even recovery sessions, you're teaching it adaptability. That adaptability leads to improved endurance, better energy stability, and ultimately, greater performance. Here's how to train smarter. First, understand that different training zones use different fuel systems. High-intensity training, like sprinting or heavy lifting, uses primarily carbs. Moderate to low-intensity activities, like steady-state cardio, use mostly fat. To build metabolic flexibility, you need both. Combine explosive sessions that push your limits with slower workouts that teach your body endurance. For example, start your week with a strength or HIIT workout. This will deplete glycogen stores and push your anaerobic system. The next day, do a low-intensity session, a brisk walk, a long stretch, or a light jog. Your body will naturally switch to fat as a primary fuel, improving mitochondrial function and oxygen utilization. Repeat this cycle consistently, and your body becomes an adaptive, energy-burning powerhouse. Nutrition plays a crucial role in how your body uses energy. When you constantly supply it with simple sugars, it never truly learns to tap into fat stores for fuel. Instead, focus on strategic nutrient timing. Eat complex carbohydrates before intense training sessions to boost performance. And, on lighter days, extend the time between meals or train in a semi-fasted state to encourage better fat adaptation. In your nutrition, balance is everything. Include quality carbohydrates, oats, quinoa, fruits. To replenish glycogen and support recovery, pair them with healthy fats, olive oil, avocado, nuts, salmon, and lean proteins for muscle repair. Avoid extremes. Your metabolism thrives on balance, not deprivation. So what happens when you finally balance performance and metabolism? Your entire physiology transforms. Your energy becomes stable throughout the day. Your workouts feel powerful instead of draining. And perhaps most importantly, your body composition starts shifting more lean muscle, less stored fat. Metabolic flexibility means your body no longer panics when carbs are low or meals are delayed. It effortlessly transitions to burning fat without mood swings or cravings. This adaptability protects you from energy crashes, improves insulin sensitivity, and supports long-term health. It also means you can perform at a high level for longer without burning out. To maintain this flexibility, consistency is key. Keep your training varied, alternate between strength, high-intensity intervals, and longer aerobic sessions. Don't chase calories, chase adaptation. Let your body experience both high fuel demand and fat-burning endurance. Smart training is not about pushing to exhaustion. It's about creating the right balance between stress and adaptation. If you push too hard without giving your body time to recover and fuel properly, you'll trigger cortisol spikes, muscle breakdown, and a sluggish metabolism. But if you train intelligently, you'll maintain high performance, steady energy, and consistent fat loss. Finally, listen to your body. Fatigue, cravings, and brain fog are signs that your metabolic system needs recalibration. Adjust your workouts, get quality sleep, and stay hydrated. Over time, you'll notice that your energy levels stabilize, your performance improves, and your body feels lighter and more capable. So remember this: training smarter isn't about working more, it's about working with your body, not against it. When you align your workouts, nutrition, and recovery to support metabolic flexibility, results come faster and they last longer. If this video inspired you, don't forget to hit the bell and subscribe, share it with a friend who's chasing better performance, and join our community, where we help you train smarter, not harder. At Busy Fit Life, we understand how challenging it can be to fit the gym into a busy schedule. That's why we design quick, powerful workouts you can do anytime, anywhere, no excuses, just results. If you're ready to take control of your fitness and make every minute count, you're in the right place.